Here we come to the elevators at the Masonic Temple building in downtown Raleigh, North Carolina. These used to be Otis, and they were modernized with GAL. These appear to look like Southern based on the brails of the call station. This is a very old historic building. All right, here it is. Wow, look at this design of the elevator cab. This is neat. Beep. These locked. I don't see the classic leveling. This was installed. Gotta be modernizing in 1981. Definitely Otis did this mod. These were definitely manually controlled at one point. Interesting, it's got innovation floor buttons, but door open, door close, GAL. Obviously replaced the button at some point. Now, just so you know, the other elevator car does not serve the basement. If you want to read, pause the video. This looks like it used to be. Obviously, originally had the sign back when the elevator was manual at a time, I think. But I am not sure though. Wow, this is a nice cab. Similar fixtures. This obviously had an Otis logo at one point, but it was ripped out, I think, and covered up. The cab looks like it's obviously original, I think. I am not sure if they restored it in the 80s or something, based on the installation date right here. But the building's got to be way older than the elevator itself. This is definitely a neat old building. That definitely looks like it's your original elevator instruction sign, I think. Or actually, I don't know. I think the sign is actually current to when the elevator is modified as of right now. But anyways, I can't even get in the frame because look at this pillar blocking the way. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it.